how to enable picture-in-picture mode on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable picture-in-picture PIP mode on YouTube for Android device. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And once you're inside the settings app, simply tap on the search bar at the top and simply search for picture-in-picture option. And now here from the result, simply tap on that option. And after tapping on that, on the new page, you will see the list of all the apps. So simply choose the YouTube from there. And once you see the interface like this, simply toggle on the option that says allow picture in picture. And once you have enabled that, you will be able to use picture in picture mode on YouTube. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.